The sooner you can get a spill contained, the less area you need to clean up.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Absorbent socks and booms are two of the most common tools for containing spills. Some spill responders use the terms sock and boom interchangeably, and they both have the same function, containing spills. Socks are usually 3 to 5 inches in diameter, and they're about 4 to 5 feet long. They can be either universal or oil only, and they're generally used to contain spills on land. Booms absorb oil and petroleum products. They're most often used in water, but they can also be used on land. They're longer than socks, either 10 or 25 feet long, and they absorb between 2 and 12 gallons. To use a sock or a boom to contain a spill, determine if the spill has stopped spreading or if it's still moving. If it's stopped, place the sock or boom around the edge of the spill. If it takes more than one to surround the spill, overlap the end so that the spill won't be able to sneak through. Socks should be overlapped by at least 8 inches, and booms should overlap about 12 inches. Most booms have clips on them that are about a foot from the end so that they can be linked together quickly and easily. If the spill hasn't stopped spreading, place the socks or booms at least 6 to 12 inches away from the perimeter of the spill. This will help ensure that you don't need to keep moving the socks or booms before all of the sections are in place. The purpose of socks or booms is to create a wall or dam that prevents the spill from moving any farther. As the socks and booms absorb the spill, they'll become heavier and they'll have more contact with the surface that they're on. Continually moving socks and booms interferes with this and can cause leakage. Once the spill is contained, different methods can be used to clean up the spill. Check out some of our other lessons to learn more about spill cleanup methods.